Hey guys, it's Mike with AK Wetworks. Today, I want to talk to you about protecting your business, some of the documentation that you need related to COVID and running your business on a day-to-day operation, particularly with the mitigations and the protections that you're having to put in place. So the bottom line is we've been here to help from the very beginning with disinfecting long-term microbial treatments, and we want to continue that tradition. And so what we've prepared is a template, a COVID toolbox template that has information and resources available to you to help you run your business day to day. So come on inside, let's go check this out. Let me get clean. We don't have anybody in the office this morning, so I'm not putting my mask on for the presentation, but I always want to disinfect and have the ability to do it, so we have our disinfecting and our passive screening. Also have our safety talk and our on social responsibilities, and we do a facility audit here to make sure that we continuously comply. That's also in the kit. And then contact scenarios that help guide us to determining if we need to quarantine or isolate and have somebody stay out of the work site. So that's there. And then we always want to remind our folks that, you know, if you're going to be in the office, we have to have our masks on. We also, in our hand washing and disinfecting station, we have our thermometer for direct contact and non-contact monitoring of temperature. We also provide the PPE if somebody has to assist with a mask. And then we have areas to disinfect things like cell phones and any objects that you bring in. So that's important to us to protect our workplace. And I know that you're doing the same and you have a lot going on. So what we wanted to certainly do is just share with you a little bit what we want to accomplish by helping you. So one, we have a lot of documents in this. There's about 20 documents, and we continue to grow it as our inventory grows with all the compliance and things that we have to do. So first, a good guideline on recordability of COVID cases related to work, and if it's work related or not. You really need to know those guidelines. We've included a copy of that in the toolbox kit for you. We put the COVID awareness training that you can use for your employees so that they are better aware and they're more compliant and protected, and they protect themselves and your customers and your business. You need a general guideline on what you're going to follow and how you're going to operate and conduct business. We also have a guideline on cleaning and disinfecting protocols that you would need. And also, if you have a lot of employees, you know, a lot of times you have to track these guys and the status. So we have an employee tracking and tracing spreadsheet that we included in there. And very importantly, we have a work relatedness determination documentation investigation form that follows what's outlined in OSHA, which is required, which provides you good documentation in the event that, you know, you have to litigate whether a case is work related or not. You've done your due diligence, so that's an important document in the package. Also, you got to consider your return to work of your employees and how you're going to document that, what you're going to do, and what kind of forms you're going to have. So we've included a couple of forms in there for you to use. Also, very important, that's our coronavirus reminder. We've hung these up around the office so that we remind everybody on social distancing. It's just a little best practice that we've incorporated here at AK. And it works really well. It's been well received, and we've got a lot of laughs out of it. We have job safety analysis for close contact work, particularly if your operation requires field activities and work on industrial facilities, things like that. You need to have those mitigations in place, and you need to be able to prove that documentation. Same with just the general job safety analysis. We have that in there for any new tasks related to COVID. We have your PPE matrix that allows you to analyze what PPE you need for specific tasks and conditions in your workplace. And then we've included some toolbox talks, corporate memos that you can put out that tie everything together. This is easy. All you have to do is go to the link, give us your name, your email. We send you the link and you have access to all these documents and more. So there's a whole host of resources on there. We really want to encourage you to come out, get online, take a look, get registered, use what you can, provide us some feedback. If we need to, you're free to contact me or anybody here at AK. We'll be glad to help you out. If you find yourself in the need for disinfecting, long-term microbial treatment, all we're asking for is keep us in mind to help you solve those problems, those challenges for your facility, your business, your home, your car, whatever your situation may need. We're here to help. Y'all have a great day. Be kind to each other. Look for opportunities to help. Reach out and be nice. And y'all have a great day. We'll see you next time. Thanks.